Hi everyone. In the last session, we have seen what is single linked list, what are all operations that we can perform on single linked list, and how to create a single linked list. Now in this session, we'll be discussing how a single linked list program has been implemented and how many functions we are going to write in order to implement the single linked list program. This session gives you the clarity how a single linked list program has been designed. So a single linked list is the simplest type of data structure in which every node contains the data and pointer to the next node. A single linked list contains only one link field pointing to the next node in the list. So that single linked list allows travels of data only in one direction. That means there is only one link between any two nodes in the single linked list, so that we are in a position to traverse the list only in forward direction. Now this is how we are represented single linked list, in which every node link part contains address of next node, so that there will be only one link between the nodes. Coming to the operations, we used to perform 6 types of operations in single linked list, and this 6 types of operations has been divided into some set of functions when you are implementing your single linked list program in C language. So creating a single linked list is one operation. In this, we'll be creating a single linked list, how many number of nodes you want to create initially, and those number of nodes can be created by using in this operations. Traversing a single linked list, in this operation we can display or we can traverse starting from first node till the end of last node. Insertion of a node into a single linked list, in this operation we can insert a node as a first node or a last node after any node before any node. In deletion of a node from a single linked list, we can delete, in this operation we can delete a node from first node or last node or any intermediary node. Searching for an element in single linked list, we are using linear search methodology in order to search for an element or for a node in a single linked list. Modifying a node value in single linked list. If you want to modify some node value in single linked list, then we can perform this operation. Every operation that we have here, and these operations consists of some set of statement instructions. We need to follow those instructions. As per that instructions, we need to perform that operations. But when you are implementing these operations as a program, then all these operations has been divided into 11 functions. The first operation is creating a single linked list, and which was done in C program with the help of create function. That means if I call create function, then create function is in a position to create any number of nodes. Coming to the next thing or next operation is traversing a single linked list, and this traversing a single linked list can be performed by using display function. If I call display function, this function gives us complete list of nodes that are present in the single linked list, which was created by the user. Coming to the insertion operation, as I already discussed, that insertion operation means inserting a node in a single linked list. The question raises how the node is going to be inserted, where the node is going to be inserted. The node can be inserted as a first node or last node, after any node, before any node. So this complete insertion operation has been divided into 4 functions. The first function is insert underscore first, which is used to insert a node as a first node. Insert underscore last, which is used to insert a node as a last node. Next, insert underscore after, which is used to insert a node after any node. Insert underscore before, which is used to insert a node before any node. You might be having one doubt, why to divide this insertion operation into again 4 functions? If I divide this code, then it's very easy for you to understand. I can combine all these cases, insert first, insert last, insert after, insert before, all these cases in one single function, and that becomes a huge coding in one single function. That's the reason I'm dividing this insertion operation into four functions, so that the code becomes very simple. You can easily understood. For inserting a node as a first node, what's the logic need to be used? Inserting a node as a last node, what's the logic to be used? After any node, what's the logic we need to use? Before any node, what's the logic we need to use? If at all node does not exist, that means especially in case of insert underscore after, insert underscore before, the insertion is going to be somewhat different in such a way that which node after you want to insert, which node before you want to insert, that node value we need to enter. Suppose you entered some what node value, and that node value is not there in the list. In that case, it is going to display some message that no node exists with that value. Like, in order to perform operations very well and not to make you understand the logic clearly, I divided insertion operation into four categories. And you already know that if any big problem statement is given to you, then dividing that problem statement into several parts and combining that into one single unit, that is a program, is what recommended thing that you already learn in case of modular programming, that is functions. Right. So this is how insertion operation is going to be performed. Coming to the next case is the deletion operation. Again, this deletion operation is further divided into three functions: delete underscore first, delete underscore last, delete underscore node. In case of delete underscore, by using this delete underscore first function, we are in a position to delete the first node. Delete underscore last function is used to delete node present as a last node in the list. That means simply if I call delete underscore first or delete first function, immediately it is going to delete the first node and makes the second node as a first node in the list. And if I call delete underscore last, directly it deletes the node which present as a last node in the single linked list. If I call delete underscore node, this function asks us which node you want to delete, and that node value we need to enter. After entering that node value, it checks whether that node value exists in the list or not. If it exists in the list, it is going to delete that particular node. If it does not exist in the list, it gives us message that no node exists in the list. Next, search and modify operation. With the help of the search function, we are going to search for a particular node exists in the list or not. If node exists in the list, it gives us a message that node exists in the list. If node does not exist in the list, it gives us a message that node does not exist in the list. And the basic strategy and the principle involved in search function is your linear search that you already learned in your first year. Coming to the next function is modify function, and this modify function is used to modify a node value. Suppose it asks us which node value you want to modify. If I entered that node value, if that node value exists in the list, and it is going to modify that particular node value. If that node value does not exist in the list, then it gives us message that no node exists with that value. That means all these operations, 6 operations, has been divided into 11 functions. Now it is the responsibility of the programmer to implement all these 6 operations in your single linked list program. So in order to make it as simplified for you, so I divided the 6 operations into 11 functions. Now what we'll be doing is we'll be seeing the program flow of single linked list first, and after that I will be explaining you the code of each and every function, right? So now it is very clear for you that there are 6 operations that we are going to perform in single linked list, and these 6 operations has been divided into 11 function: create, display, insert first, insert last, insert after, insert before, delete first, delete last, delete node, search, and modify.